What is the Supreme Court? Or perhaps more accurately, who is the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court is arguably the most important institution influencing American life today, yet most Americans can't tell you anything about it, much less name all 9 justices. Their resumes include starting and ending segregation, creating the Miranda rights, and deciding who would be president, and that's just getting started. You probably don't know a lot about them because, despite their public power, they are notoriously private. Most of them avoid the public eye, and the U.S. does not allow cameras in the Supreme Court chambers, so enjoy your pencil drawings. So who are these robed rogues, and how did they get there? Supreme Court justices are not elected or appointed, they are nominated. We do not want justices simply put into office by populist ideas or the whims of the American public. Instead, we leave this important decision in the careful hands of the president. Nominating a Supreme Court justice is perhaps the most important decision a president will make. Justices are given life tenure, so whomever they nominate will likely succeed the president and form a major part of the president's legacy, not to mention decades worth of future decisions on free speech, searches and seizures, and religious liberty. While life tenure sounds too good to be true, it's important that the Supreme Court justice can make decisions without risk of undue influence or retribution for a decision, or for falling asleep in your State of the Union address. And sometimes justices throw a curveball. President George H.W. Bush confirmed Justice David Souter, thinking he had a conservative judicial philosophy. Then he began writing opinions that came out the opposite. Oops. So you're thinking, I want life tenure and a sweet robe. Can I be a Supreme Court justice? The answer is maybe. Surprise, you don't have to be a judge or even a lawyer. The U.S. Supreme Court, however, has never confirmed a non-lawyer, so it's required for all practical purposes. Several justices have not previously been judges, but it's unlikely we'll nominate a non-judge again anytime soon. Judges create a public record of their judicial history, how they decide cases, so we know what team or judicial philosophy they are batting for. So you've got a law degree from a top-flight law school, a judicial clerkship, experience as a federal court of appeals judge, some government experience, and perhaps a stint as a professor at a top-flight law school. Now you just need the nomination of the President of the United States. Assuming you get the nomination, your name is sent to the Senate Judiciary Committee. The committee vets you and holds a public hearing where they scrutinize your life in extreme detail. The 20-member committee votes, and if you get a majority, you're recommended to the Senate. The Senate holds an open debate followed by a final vote. If you get 51% thumbs up, you're confirmed. That's all you need to do. We'll see you on the Supreme Court. The video you just watched is part of a college-level business law class that I created. I've got much more law-related content online on my channel, and I'm always creating more. We would love for you to take a look or subscribe to the channel as updates come out. Thank you.